Hi everyone, welcome back, and today for this upload we're going to take a little break from Beyblading because I've got a new Armoured Alliance Bakugan to open up. So that's a Darkus Howlkor Ultra with Baku-Gear, which is a Mega Claws for the name of that Baku-Gear. And we're going to have a quick look at the front of the packaging because I really like how they're doing that for this new series of Bakugan. So we've got a bit of an explosion in the background, the Darkus symbol, and a really nice picture of Howlkor in the corner. And so let's go to the back now. And there he is, fully assembled with that Baku-Gear on. And I'm not going to focus on that too much because we'll get into that when we open him up. So our listed contents is one Bakugan Ultra, the one Baku-Gear, two Baku-Cores, one ability card, and one character card, one instruction sheet, and a Bakugan toy battling rule sheet. Then there's a bit of a roll guide or image of the action that it produces when it does open up, and then we've got Baku-Gear up, so a bit of an image of how to attach that larger portion of the Baku-Gear, and then a small listing down here of some of the other ultras you can pick up as part of this wave. And that's it for our packaging. So let's get him opened up, have a closer look at everything, our cards, our cores, have a go at attaching that Baku-Gear, and then we'll attempt to fold him up and finish things off with a bit of a test roll. Well, that certainly wasn't my most graceful attempt at an unboxing, but I got there in the end, and we'll start this off by having a look at our buckle cores. Okay, so our first core is a Flaming Fist, and he's +5 to damage and -1 to the energy cost of a Baku-Gear card. And second one is a Shining Shield or Magic Shield, and it's +400 battle power and -2 to the energy cost of a Baku-Gear card. Alright, well, a couple of cost reductions with those cores. And next up, let's have a look at our cards. Alright, let's go over our character card to begin with, and we've got Darkus Howlkor Ultra, 400 battle power and 5 damage, and a pretty nice looking image of him there as well. And then we've got Baku-Gear card, so Dark Daggers, not the Baku-Gear that he comes with, so we'll have to get that some other way. 4 energy for this particular Baku-Gear, and it gives us +200 battle power and +5 damage. Alright, let's get a good look at our Bakugan now. Well, here he is, our Darkus Howlkor Ultra, and there's his little Darkus stamp there, which they're doing with these new Armoured Alliance Bakugan, and I honestly think these are quite a big improvement on the previous series, and that's just my opinion. I might be touching a few nerves by saying that, but look, here I've got my old Ventus Howlkor Ultra. He's big chunky middle head there. But look at the difference in detail and tell me that's not an improvement. I honestly think that the newer one represents a Cerebrus a lot better, which, if you're unfamiliar, is a three-handed guardian dog of hell, which I'm sure they based Howlkor on when they were designing him. And we'll get back to him now and have a look at it. His other details. So this is obviously what would be his tail at the back here, sticking up in the air there, and then we've got his paws, which fold under, which is part of the process of rolling him up, but you can put in different positions if you wish to pose him. And where's his? There it is. There's his stamped 400B underneath there. And yeah, love the purple with the fluoro green, and they've got on him. Alright, well, let's attach some Baku-Gear. I've got my Baku-Gear, and we'll start with our guns, which slot into the side, which will go this one first. So there we are, go into these little hexagon holes, and sure this is the right way up to put them. The second one, now he's looking chunky. And then our mech claws, which I apologise for calling them mega claws. When I was first reading out the packaging, I just misread there a little bit. So yeah, our mech claws, and how they attach. I have a go at attaching them. So I've got our magnet here, and yeah, there we go. Just drop them down on top, and out they come, and wow, that looks so awesome. The size of those claws too. Jeez. Wow, Darkus symbol on those as well. Okay, well, time to have a go at folding everything up. So first things first, our Baku-Gear. So just pull that off, and it's pretty straightforward. So fold these legs around to the back there, and then they just hinge at that point and clip in. There we go, and that's our mech claws folded away, and just pull those side guns off. And now for Howlkor, I did have a quick look at the guide. So it was our front paws, and then hold one of those back paws in, or hold a back paw in a little bit, try and tuck him under at the same time as, well, easier said than done, at the same time as bringing those front legs in, so that holds those feet up from flinging out like they just did, and then our head, and finally bring that tail around to close everything in. And there we are, everything's all folded up, and last thing left to do is a test roll. I've set the arena up, and just find my little arrow here. There it is. And here we go. There we are. Whoa. Wow. Geez, he flicks open with quite a bit of force. And we'll get his little pause out. Well, there we are. And all in all, sweet looking Bakugan. And I've just got to do this once again. So there we are. Just to finish off with. Well, I hope you liked the video, and until next time, enjoy the rest of your day.